The ESV version gives the heading Testing of Your Faith for verses 2 to 18 of chapter 1 in James. But we see a transition from the word test or trials in the first part of the passage, verse 2 to 12, to the word temptation in the next part of the passage that we are looking at. Verse 13a reads, "Let no one say when he is tempted, I am being tempted by God." From the study of the previous passage, we know God allows trials to mature a believer. Or in these temptations God allowed too, as 1 Corinthians 10:13 says, "No temptation has overtaken you that is not common to man. God is faithful, and He will not let you be tempted beyond your ability. But with the temptation He will also provide the way of escape, that you may be able to endure it." And in Hebrews 4:15 we see Jesus was tempted too in every respect as we are, and yet without sin. Then why is James telling in verse 13 not to blame God for their temptations? Here is the NJB version of verse 13. "Never when you are being put to the test say, 'God is tempting me.' God cannot be tempted by evil, and He does not put anybody to the test." So no solid line can be drawn between the two, trials and temptations. And verse 12 is a hinge that connects both. We see that James's concern rather is to help his readers resist the inner temptation to sin that comes along with the outer trial. Every trial, test, or difficulty carries with it a temptation, an inner enticement to sin. God may bring or allow trials, but no temptations to sin. Have a blessed day.